Proteins, the building blocks of life, hold the secrets to diseases, treatments, and even the origins of life itself. But for decades, scientists struggled to predict how proteins fold, a problem so complex it could take years to solve for just one molecule. Then came AlphaFold, an AI breakthrough by DeepMind that changed everything. But how does AlphaFold work? Why is it such a game changer? And what are its real-world applications? AlphaFold is an artificial intelligence system developed by DeepMind that predicts protein structures with atomic-level accuracy. It uses deep learning to determine the 3D shape of a protein from its amino acid sequence, a task that was once impossible at scale. AlphaFold was trained on vast amounts of protein data using deep neural networks to understand patterns in folding. It predicts protein structures with over 90% accuracy, surpassing traditional computational methods. Proteins are the machinery of life. Every disease, from Alzheimer's to cancer, is influenced by protein structures. Understanding how proteins fold can lead to revolutionary drug discoveries, gene therapy, and even solutions for climate change through bioengineering. With AlphaFold, we can now model proteins in hours instead of years. This helps us design new treatments faster than ever before. AlphaFold uses deep neural networks trained on known protein structures from the Protein Data Bank. It predicts distances and angles between amino acids, then refines the structure using an AI-driven optimization process. AlphaFold doesn't just predict structures, it outperforms decades of human research by using physics-based learning and evolutionary data. So, where is AlphaFold making an impact? Let's look at some game-changing applications. Pharma companies are using AlphaFold to design new drugs, vaccines, and antibiotics. Case study, how AlphaFold helped develop COVID-19 treatments. Scientists use AlphaFold to study genetic disorders and protein-related diseases. Example, understanding how cancer-related proteins interact. AlphaFold helps design enzymes for breaking down plastic waste, revolutionizing sustainability efforts. Example, AI-driven enzyme engineering to fight pollution. AlphaFold is just the beginning. Future AI models will help us unlock the mysteries of life, create synthetic biology solutions, and even predict entirely new proteins for medicine and industry. We are entering an era where AI and biology merge to solve humanity's biggest challenges. AI-powered drug discovery will be one of the biggest revolutions in healthcare. The next decade will see AI-designed medicines tailored to individuals. AlphaFold isn't just for scientists. Its open-source release allows anyone, from researchers to students, to explore protein structures. If you're an AI enthusiast, biologist, or data scientist, this is your opportunity to dive into the future of AI-driven biology. AI is transforming the world, and AlphaFold is proof of what's possible. Want to stay ahead of the AI revolution? Subscribe now, hit the bell icon for more deep tech insights, and let's explore the future together. AI plus science equals the future. Be part of it.